Oh, you don't have to put it on yet. You can if you want, but it's ugly. And what I'll do is next week you can walk through here if you want. There's a lot of cool stuff in here, but it still needs a lot of cleaning. These are all the angel wing begonias we're going to be putting out on the table that I posted yesterday. But later in the week, once we post them out, you can be like, ooh la la, or OMG, or something that's really corny. You know what I'm saying?
Or something that's really corny.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is all hidden back here.
Yeah, this is all my play area. These begonias are going out this week, and these are sought after huge.
Okay.
So just be careful where you walk. It's not the best terrain. These are going in the greenhouse next week. The thing is as soon as they start going out, they're going to move fast.
These?
Yeah.